YouTubers, Tyler O'Connor here with Simplistic Fishing. Today it is super windy, so we weren't able to do our pre-fishing on Tawakoni like we wanted to, but we decided to come out here. And I don't know if you noticed my surroundings, but I am on the Goat Lake, the greatest lake of all time, Lake Fork. So stick around, hopefully we got some good catches for you.
As you can see, the wind was really blowing that day. We were seeing gusts of up to 20 to 25 miles an hour from the northeast, and then it shifted to the northwest. So our goal that day was, we knew the wind was coming. We'd already take a look at the weather, just like we always talked about. And so we were trying to find somewhere where we could fish. We wanted to fish Lake Tawakoni because we have a THSBA tournament coming up there on February the 13th. We were trying to do some pre-fishing for that. But if you've ever been to Lake Tawakoni here in North Dallas, it's not made for wind. So when the wind's blowing 20, 25 miles an hour, you're best to stay off that lake. So we chose to come over here to Lake Fork. We picked this little pocket up here on the right-hand side because we thought it would be best protected by the wind. And we also knew that it was a good grass flat. And considering it's late January, we were thinking, hey, we can probably go up there and find some pre-spawners. And we definitely found some pre-spawners in there just roaming around. So that made it for a good day. The challenge is that our audio really was a challenge in this video. So I'll try to cut the clips fairly short from the audio standpoint, except for when we're talking to avoid the wind noise. I'll put some more music in there for you guys to make it a little bit more enjoyable. And then at the end, you'll see that we actually get stopped by the game warden as soon as we pulled the boat off the rim. It's just a friendly reminder that, hey, these guys are out there to protect us and to help us, and also to make sure that everybody is following the rules. We were, not disappointed that we got pulled over. We showed him our license. He didn't give us any problems at all. Talked to us about lures. He was a great guy. So just hats off to those guys for everything that they do to help keep us safe out there and to help protect the wildlife here within Texas. So let's get started. Let's get some fish catches.
Raised spin, chartreuse tail.
Two, baby. Here we go. Got something going now. We've literally only been here for about 5 or 10 minutes. This is our second fish. Landon got the big one. Well, Osman's got to give him a lick. But, nothing special, but hey man, it's some fun. Hey, YouTubers. It's not a good sign, right? Not a good sign when I'm in the truck and I'm even backed up to the house. Hey, the wind out there today was just ridiculous. We don't want to put ourselves in harm's way. So first off, we chose to go to Fork to be protected by the wind, which was good. We were pretty protected. We were definitely weren't in harm's way. We never even fired the motor other than to load and unload the boat. But that wind was just too much. It was blowing us around like crazy. It was freezing. So we decided, you know what? We caught those three. We'll just call it a good day and come on home. But I got a new surprise for you. I've got a toy in the back of my truck that I just purchased, something called Live Scope. Oh yeah, it's gonna be the juice, baby. I can't wait to get it installed. So I came home early just so I could get that taken care of. So I'm gonna get that thing installed, and then be sure to stay tuned, because I am sure we're gonna have lots of videos on how to use Live Scope. Is Live Scope really worth it? All that good stuff. I know it's worth it because my buddy Jason has it and he digs it and I dig it. So I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna go get it installed. Stick around, hang around, hit the subscribe button. We'll talk to you soon. Tight lines.